The newest upgrade to our F2 training system lineup combines a modular gym bench along with a resistance band and isometric platform, all in one. It's called the F2 IsoResistance Platform. It's the perfect complement to our F2 bar isometric configuration. Simply screw the F2 eye bolts in the F2 bar and IsoResistance platform. Attach the F2 VRS straps and you're ready to go. Our basic isometric setup is called the 1X isometric configuration. RT hooks are used to create our angle modular gym bench. The intelligent design of using a longer bar makes the movement more anatomically correct, thereby making it easier to get into proper position and comfortably use the modular bench. You'll immediately notice the benefit and feel more strength using an angled bench when doing upper body exercises. This is because when the band is only supported by your back during the lift, a portion of your strength is being used to stabilize your back while being pulled by the band. When you have a bench, it stabilizes the band, meaning you have more power to focus on the movement, which translates into more effective strength training and better results. RT hooks are also used as side support anchors to connect different types of resistance. The innovative side support anchors allow you to use the F2 bar with RT hooks or natural rotation connectors to create a wider range of exercise options. Use our unique 2X isometric connection configuration to guarantee bilateral strength and balance by distributing resistance evenly through your body while training. With over 30 years of professional training experience, we put that knowledge into every aspect of building the F2 training system. That's why we know time is important and made sure you aren't wasting time setting up your bands and connectors. With our quick fit solutions, you can easily switch between bands and straps in seconds, not minutes. F2 is the ultimate home gym training solution.